In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Payhip. If you sell digital products or services online, it's really important that your store shows prices in the currency that works best for you and your customers. Maybe you've moved countries, your main audience is in a different region, or you just want your reports to be in one consistent currency. Changing this in Payhip is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, go ahead and log into your Payhip dashboard using your usual login details. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can see your products, sales, and other options. Take a look at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Account. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, choose Settings. This is where you can manage all kinds of preferences for your store. When the settings page opens, look for the tab called Payment Details. Click on Payment Details, and you'll be taken to a page that controls how you get paid and what currency your store uses. On the Payment Details page, scroll down until you see a section labeled Your Default Currency. This is the currency that Payhip uses to display your prices and to handle your transactions by default. Just below that label, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to open a list of all the available currencies. Now, simply scroll through the list and select the currency you want to switch to. Take a moment here to double-check that you're choosing the correct currency for your main audience or your business location. Remember that changing your default currency will affect how prices appear in your store going forward, so it's worth confirming you're happy with your selection before saving. Once you've chosen your new currency, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. There, you'll see a button labeled Save Settings. Click on this button to apply your changes. The page will reload for a moment while Payhip updates your account settings. After the page refreshes, your default currency will now be changed. Any new prices and listings will use this currency by default. If you already have products set up, it's a good idea to quickly review them to make sure everything looks correct with the updated currency. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your currency on Payhip.